welcome back from break. My first video is going to be a collab with Miss Nails by Nelly, and she asked if I wanted to do a Gothic winter theme with her. So this is going to be an attempt at that. The finished look, I'm going to say I don't know if I think that it's fully considered a Gothic aesthetic, but it's more Gothic than not, right? We'll go with that. As usual, I will show you all the products that I use up front. If for any reason a product that I use will be introduced later that I did not show up front, I will show you what that product is in the video itself. Some of the products will be listed in the description, as well as Miss Nelly's information. So I'm going to go ahead and show you also some of her other looks, because she is a bomb nail artist. So without further ado, this right here is Miss Nelly. And that lady beautiful? She is gorgeous. Not only is she gorgeous, she is nice, beautiful soul. She's amazing. If you're not already following her, go do so. She puts up videos and tutorials and pictures left and right. So go follow her on Instagram and go over to her YouTube channel as well. And her Gothic winter nail look I will add in the end with my pictures at the end. So make sure you stay tuned until the end so you can see all of the finished looks, not only my look but Miss Nelly's as well. So I'm not going to talk through the whole tutorial because it's actually rather easy. So yeah, hang out guys. Thanks for coming back. I love winter break. It's long, but it's fun. But I love it. Every year, in case you didn't know, every year I don't post in December. That's my break time. But it's no longer December, so we're back. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. I do appreciate you hanging in and not leaving because you thought I left. So I appreciate you. I'll catch you in the end. All right, so there you have it. There is the completed look. As I stated before, maybe not Gothic so much, but again, more Gothic than not, right? Yeah. So appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks again for coming back. We are back for another year of looks. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments or hit me up on Instagram. All links are in the description, as well as Miss Nelly's. And again, don't forget to go and check her out. Appreciate you guys. See you later.